Hello, I am Ibrahim Ramadan from Egypt, and this is my contact. Today we will make an introduction to OMNET++ Castalia. Castalia is an important framework in OMNET++. It used in many areas, different areas, like body area language and wireless sensor network, and outline today what is OMNET++ Castalia, and how many features of Castalia, and we overview about structure of Castalia on OMNET, and if we need to install Castalia, which requirements we can use. What is Castalia? Castalia is a simulator for wireless sensor network, body area networks, and generally network of low power embedded device. For simplicity, Castalia is a simulator for WSN and body area language, and use a network of low power embedded device. Castalia is developed at NICTA Australia, and another definition for OMNET++ Castalia is a wireless sensor network simulator. OMNET++ Castalia built at the network and the previous computing programming of National ICT Australian. OMNET Castalia supports realistic channel and radio model, and Castalia also support defined physical process and support enhanced model of sensing device. Castalia main features: advanced channel model based on measured data, and advanced radio model based on real radios for low power communications, and extended sensing modeling also. Node clock drift, and MAC routing protocol available, and designed for adaptation and expansion. And Castalia is not sensor platform specific, and also Castalia is not useful if anyone would like to test code compiled for a specific sensor node platform. Castalia is not sensor platform specific, and Castalia is not useful if one would like to test code compiled for a specific sensor node. Overview about the definition of Castalia. Castalia is using OMNET++ as its base, so it is suggests that you have a fair understand of basic concept of OMNET++. If we need to learn Castalia, you must have a basic concept of OMNET++. Like what? Like OMNET basics concept are modules and message. OMNET++ have two model: simple model and composed model, and we have a connection and message. We go through structure of Castalia. Castalia structure, we have three layers of layers. Low layer or wireless channel, it's the first layer and between end layer and start layer and end layer, it's node. Node is not connected each other, but connected in a wireless channel, and also nodes connected in physical process. This is the structure of Castalia. Have a 3-layer, first layer wireless channel and connected by node, and node connected also by physical process. What is required to install or to use Castalia? We have two source. First, OMNET++, as we say that OMNET, that Castalia using on OMNET++, we must install OMNET 4.3 or 4.6. If we try to install Castalia in 5.1 or 5.2, it's have many errors. It's not applicable, and we download Castalia 3.2 or 3.1. Next session we will discuss and knows the installation of Castalia step by step. If we have any questions, please contact me on email or WhatsApp. See you in the next lecture. Thank you and bye bye.